A house is so much more than walls and windows. It's where we build our lives and stories. Protect your home and greet your guests with RemoBell W, the video doorbell with motion detection, HD video, and two-way talk.
You have the right house. I'll be right there.
Okay, great. Thanks so much.
RemoBell W records all activities, so you can watch them whenever you want.
I wonder what I missed.
Every little detail of your home matters. Keep your home secure by staying on top of all of the outside's little surprises. RemoBell W, the ultimate video doorbell for your home.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring video doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring video doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring video doorbell, you're always home.
Answer your door from anywhere with August View, the world's most advanced wire-free video doorbell. August View is made with your home in mind. With a variety of interchangeable faceplates and a slim, sleek design, August View looks at home in any entryway. Manufactured using premium materials, August View is built to last. A high-performance sensor delivers crisp, realistic video right to your phone. Be home even when you're not. Get instant alerts anytime someone approaches your doorstep, whether your visitors are welcomed or not. With August View, you are sure to never miss a moment.
Thanks for dropping her off, Scott.
Good night, Mrs. Hyden.
Pair it with an August Smart Lock,
Can you just open the door?
and you can let your guests in from anywhere. August View. Home, even when you're not.
Introducing Greet, the smart doorbell from Zmodo that's easy to set up and easy to use. Answer your door from anywhere. See who's there and talk to them through your smartphone.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great. Just leave it at the door. Thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Receive video clip motion alerts on your phone, even when somebody doesn't ring the doorbell. You can also record a voice message to play for visitors when you can't or don't want to answer the door. Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent. Missing a call doesn't mean missing a visitor. With Greet's built-in storage, you can replay several weeks' worth of recorded clips from motion alerts and missed visitors. Greet lets you create alert schedules to choose when you are notified, and you can even turn off your chime for a peaceful night. Greet by Zmodo. Before we begin, first turn off the power to your doorbell. Unscrew your existing doorbell from the wall and disconnect it from the two wires. Make sure you leave these two wires exposed. Next, we need to take Greet's mounting bracket off. First, loosen the security screw, then slide the bracket down and off of Greet. Now, align the bracket against the wall feeding the wires through its center opening. Make sure the bracket is level, then mark the screw holes. When mounting on brick, concrete, or stucco, use the provided screws with anchors. When mounting on wood or vinyl, anchors are not required. Since we're installing on stucco, after removing the mounting bracket, we'll drill holes about the same size as the wall anchors. Tap in the wall anchors with a hammer, and then screw the bracket into place, making sure the two wires are fed through the center opening. After the bracket is secure, fasten the two wires to the terminals on the bracket, ensuring each wire is making contact with the metal plating around the terminal. You can attach either wire to either terminal, but make sure they are not touching each other. Now we can restore power to the doorbell and slide Greet onto its mounting bracket. Push Greet on firmly and slide downwards to mount it. You'll see that Greet's light starts blinking green now that it's attached to power. Tighten the security screw back into place with the provided screwdriver so that Greet is securely attached to its mounting bracket. Once Greet is powered on and blinking green, it's ready to connect. Download the Zmodo app from the App Store or Google Play and sign up for a free account or log into your existing Zmodo account. Press the plus icon on the home screen to add a new device. Select Wireless Device and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter the password to your Wi-Fi network and wait as SmartLink connects Greet for you. You will then be prompted to name your Greet, set its time zone, and set a specific password for it if desired. And that's it! Your Greet is ready to go. You can now access live view, receive calls and motion alerts, and explore Greet's settings to set schedules, record messages, and more.